Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to screenshot a snap without them knowing. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Snapchat app right here, and once we open our Snapchat app, the next thing we need to do is to go on our chat messages and then go to the conversation you want to screenshot. After that, turn on airplane mode and disconnect to any form of internet connection. After that, you can now take a screenshot. And once you're done, all you have to do is to reset the app and then turn on your internet connection. After that, you're now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.